Hello, so do you know that many people did not get this maths problem right? So let's now work it out within the shortest time possible. So, solution. So we are trying to find the value for x. So the first thing that you need to do, let's now introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 200. So when you have, for example, the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m the log of p. So in that case now we shall now have it as x the log of 4 is equals to the log of 200. So in this case now we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4. So here now divide by the log of 4, then also this side divide by the log of 4. Log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so that now x is equals to the log of 200 all over the log of 4. So when you factorize it very fast, the value for x is equals to, in this case now we shall have the log of 10, or we can still have it as the log of 20 multiplied by 10, then into bracket all over the log of 4. So suppose we have the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So that is to say that the log of 20 multiplied by 10 shall now be equals to the log of 20 plus the log of 10, then all over the log of 4. So let's now try to work it out into its simplest form. So that now the value for x is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 4 multiplied by 5 into bracket plus, here now shall now have the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then into bracket, so all of them we shall divide by the log of 4. So in this case now the value for x, so the value for x now shall be the log of 4, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 5 plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 4. So in this case now we shall say that, so now we shall have it as the value for x is equals to the log 4 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 5 again all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So here now we shall say that the value for x is equals to, so log 4 and log 4 cancels, so here now we shall have 1 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 4, then also plus log 5 all over the log of 4, then plus log 2 all over the log of 4. So when you have, for example, the log a all over the log of b, so this one can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So finally, our final answer for this maths problem shall be the value for x is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, also plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4. So this one now qualifies to be our most correct maths problem. So if you have seen or work it out or confirmed this answer as the most correct one, you can also always subscribe to this channel. So let's now confirm this answer and see if you are correct. So we had 4 to the power of x is equals to 200. So instead of writing x now, we shall now write the answer that we got. So now we shall now have it as 4 to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, again plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4 is equals to 200. So we can still have it as now 4 to the power of 1, then the plus changes to multiplication, again 4 to the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus changes to multiplication, 4 to the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus again 4 to the log of 2 to the base of 4 is equals to 200. So when you cancel it out, 4 to the power of 1 is 4, multiplied by the log of 4 to the base of 4 cancel. So we shall now have it as 5 multiplied by the log of 4 to the base of 4 cancels again 5, then multiplied by the log to the base of 4 by 4 cancels by 2 is equals to 200. So let's now confirm this answer if it brings 200. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, 20 multiplied by 5 is 100, 100 multiplied by 2 is 200. So 200 is equals to 200. So it means that the answer that we got initially is correct when you said that the value for x is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus again the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus last one is the log of 2 to the base of 4. So don't always forget to subscribe to this channel.